Beauty and Beyond. It's me again. So today, I thought of you bringing to you a makeup look which will be perfect for New Year's Eve or something. It's this orange smoky eyes. I am really obsessed with this color now, and I loved how it turned out. So yeah, this is the one I'm going to show you today. It's very easy, requires minimum products, I guess. Yeah, very easy to do, and so it has no false lashes, no complicated eye makeup. It's very easy. Okay, so yes, this is what I'm going to do today. This has this beautiful colored cheeks, contour, nice lips, and it's very sweet. I loved how this turned out, so it would be a perfect look to in this year. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. I'll get started by prepping my base, and what's really important for me is for my lipstick to stay, because in a New Year's party or in any party, I just don't want to, you know, wipe off my lipstick and make it like reapply it and retouch it every 1 2 hours or every drink or every food, and it gets dry. Obviously, I'll be using a long-lasting matte lipstick, and matte lipsticks are drying. So what I really prefer is to keep them moisturized, and that goes for my whole skin as well. um I get dry as hell during the winters, so I'll be prepping my base, and let's get started by moisturizing my lips. Interestingly, for moisturizing my lips, I'll not be using a lip balm. I'll be using this lipsticks by Makeup Revolution. They are like very tinted lip balms. I love them. I've got them. They have this pot right over here. You open it like this. I have a couple of colors, so let me just show you. So this is the orange place. So where do you have this pot thing? So you just take it off, and there you have it. I've used it, and then there it is. This, when I first bought this, I was really skeptical about this color. Obviously won't suit me, but then it works great as a tinted lip balm or a lip balm in general. In days when I'm not in the mood for any makeup, just a little bit of color and lip balm, then I'll be using these things. You can get this Makeup Revolution lipsticks at notino.co.uk, so grab them. They're available in a bunch of shades. I'll get a couple of more. So let's start by moisturizing our lips. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started.